Nomdawu uthini?
Ayaleke iphari America.
All right.
A few moments later.
Ngapha amaphara rice.
And kumele ilawa la kuthini. Utheni.
Ala wathi sengoza tela ngisho ukontini la
ngathi ushona ukontini. Ayikho into right. Buka.
Yazi rhino ngithi.
Hayi.
Awuyazi rhino?
Rhino vets.
Oh. Uyeka.
Mfethu. Basayilindile imvana usibuye na imvani le.
Khona imvana ebhemele.
Ileli kanjani umuntu bafika?
Ngendla uyabotha sekho ikhathi ucansi.
Hayibo.
Buka lokho komala, buka lokho.
Umkhandlana
Buka fethu.
wala ngishilo
Inkinga le.
Ayibona sefucked up kodwa usaphezulu.
Ingaze bafakana kanjani le shuthi bekufaka lento bakufihlela bona la
Abantu bahlukile ngamaphara.
Awubheke manje ngidala sekora.
No see America. Awala kanjani aphethe? Mkangcala.
Kancane agizi mfethu. Phela unyawo sothi.
ayilona lokho ulibona lase-America ukwazi ukugawula ngilazi
Nomdawu uthini?
ayaleke iphari America.
All right.
Yeah, my name is Rob. We're in Kensington, Philadelphia, North Philadelphia to be exact, somewhat. It's known for a lot of drug use, crime, drug use, prostitution.
What are the most popular drugs here right now?
The trank, the dope, and the fentanyl. So it's doing them dirty, like bad. Like my mother's from down here. My mother she did not look like this. She had a couple track marks, she had a couple little sores and everything, but her limbs wasn't falling
When you
off.
drug it, shall
Real
sell
bad,
it,
like you
man,
could
got it.
smell it more fast. Like,
Iselo mchita bethu awekho.
But they so deep into it. You can't, no matter how hard they try.
Fentanyl.
Ushaya usalume ngaleyo ndlela
Bashaya.
ukamba ngayo.
Okay, yazi rhino ngithi.
Hayi.
Awuyazi rhino? Ngubona makudutshula irhino nale mpahla edutshulwa ngayilali. Badla yona.
Almost 4 years.
Wala
I think it's
ngisho
crazy.
bamemizi
For real.
zawo.
When do you think you first started
Stress impese
doing drugs?
Lapha inkinga bayalala.
La ngomunye ubuka la. Yani bamvusa noma zithini la.
I used heroin since I was 20.
Mhlawumbe imoto fanele ihlehla nje.
Ulele.
Hayi
Ukwazi
nemoto.
ukuvuka.
Ulele kodwa nayo imoto la kuyona.
Buka bese lo nyawo bese buka lo nyawo sithini bese lana bese wathi
Bajova
ulele.
ngalento.
Kumanje nje kunjani la kuyona.
There's no gender?
No jack. No jack.
Izilele mpisizo. Abesifazane bakhona.
Nalo wayishisa wayibhema nalo sekimi yakhe yamuka.
Ya ugoqa into yakhe.
What's going on with the wound on your leg, man?
Buka mpisi labantu lapha kumele.
Ngapha amaphara rice.
Enda kumele ilawa la kuthini. Utheni.
Ala wathi sengoza tela ngisho ukontini la
Ah, ushona ukontini. Ayikho into right. Buka labantu.
kodwa phela ngiyabona ukuthi ufucked up.
Asebenzekile. Alikho. Isithende angazi sikhulu siqala. Lo boss. Uqinisile
Buka
ubhani
lolele emotweni kodwa kuyona ya.
badle nge.
Uyabona sinenkinga ayikho la.
Yabuka lusalele cabanga avuka.
Akuyona ya. Akuyona ya.
Naye nomfazi wakhe
Both
awebuka
unseen.
lo. Buka lo wake lo. Uleli kanjani lo? Ikhanda njengoba libhe uleli kanjani umuntu bafika.
Ngendla uyabotha sekho ikhathi ucansi la.
Hayibo.
Ayikho nje. Vele yonke lento iyidakamizwa. Yonke lento iyidakamizwa isuke ipoint yakhe.
Medication.
You had rotting skin.
Lanyawo mfethu, buka mfethu. Ngathi sihlahla ubona isihlahla bese masibuna mfethu. Buka nje lanyawo mfethu. Buka lanyawo.
Lalo.
you know, so it's like,
Lalo
these
ko.
wounds, they don't heal, man.
That's exciting.
I've had this on my leg for like over a year. Nothing official, you know, but
And ngasiza kahle
I do
onyaweni.
take care
Then
of it.
Yeah,
Clean
bashaya.
jobs,
ngasiza kahle
water,
nje ngokufa onyaweni.
you know, medical.
Bancamela sibangahambi ngokuthi
Yeah,
izandla zabo bangawazi.
mengahambi at least angakwazi.
out here from different
Yeah.
hospitals, but
Yeah.
it's just more or less
Aqhubeka
Ukwazi
the,
ukudla ngisho
the magnitude of people that are here coming from all over the country to
Ngoba
consume
masengenazo
this
izandla
stuff.
ngiyakwazi
Not
nanokuyithenga.
consumption. I was 70% are not
Ujesu,
from here.
uJesu le. Sazi ngiyibuka le nto.
I'm from Baltimore. I went to
uJesu le.
I'm not taking it.
Hayi uzophindise emuva ufisa
From Baltimore.
Awu yena.
Ngale kathi sebembethelile siphambanweni sebemhlisile.
Sure man. Uyena straight.
Uyena
Hana mazini. Sibuka
Hayi
mazini.
ukuthi asimazi uyena lo.
Uyena. Ubuyile bamshaya ngezalozini. Pa!
Ebumfisi.
70% are
weird,
not from here.
Mfethu.
78.
Basayilindile imvana ukuthi ibuye nayo imvana ile.
Khona imvane ebhemele. Indlela itrack la.
Yajoba imvana.
Hayi mami.
Ijova umjova amahashi
I would
imvana.
say 70% are
Ngeke. Lo muntu uyaphila.
Abo amehlo sonjani kodwa?
Wavulile nje isitolo.
Awuvulile amehlo.
Hayi, uyamuthu.
Wapheqile umuntu la.
Kodwa wona ublack lapha.
Kodwa lo Jesu wavuka bafethu bembeselile.
not from here.
I ended up leaving with a
Buka
girl
lokho
that's from
mala,
here.
buka lokho.
Umkhandlana.
Buka fethu.
Wala ngitshela
Inkinga le.
Akayibona sefucked up kodwa usaphila.
Ingaze bafakana kanjani le. Futhi bekufaka lento bakufihlela bona la baqala.
Abantu bahlukile ngamaphara.
Hayi bahluka.
Bahlukile laba ngamaphara. Ngawe lawo
Bona labo le strong.
Laba kodwa laba banemali yabo.
lona yongazi ukuthi isigorana umbuka kwelinye iside umbuka kwelinye iside bu zombona umbuka le side enyala
Zela amehlo ephakathi.
buka le side
I
elingane
came back home in Baltimore with 3 kids.
uyizandla za
And this shit's
Buka bese inkulu lengalo mfethu.
ivuvukele
Inkulu lengalo
different, like totally different.
Shuthi
We took a trip back one time and got
Lotho
the dope.
nakunelo.
It does
ah
stop
shuthi
me
jova
now.
engane enhla
So basically, I'm up
Hayi
here
yena
because this shit is
lo mjobo wayesikore lo mjobo wamlimaza ngendlela wamlimaza.
angeke phela lesandla sivuvuke wena buka lesandla la nala esandleni
Isimini.
nala buka la leso wena sidumbile
Ngomthetho
la
ngabe ufaka isandla phakathi.
ngokomthe
Buka singene.
somthunuka
Usibekile, usibekile.
somthunuka konje
different.